2 minutes. Technique ha. Isip technique. Yung mga ano. Siguro kanina. Good, good. Oops, ano gagawin dyan? 2 points, 2 points. 2 points. Okay, up. Good, 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 good. Sarabel, isip ng technique. Counter. Okay, 30 seconds. Isip technique. Scroll, 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 scroll. Good, 2 points. 2 points, Sarabel. 2 points again. 2 points again. Control, okay. Okay, control, control. Okay, up. Last 1 minute. Ang resting, hindi palakasan ha. Technique, speed. Speed, then timing. Head drag. Double leg, jack under. Throw. Throwing. Okay, try. Pag nag-throw ka sa kabila, kukunin. Patid. Okay, good. Okay, pin. Up. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Bro, kailangan mo yan. Kailangan may stamina ka. Naglaro ka ng MMA. 30 seconds. Try. Double leg. Single leg. Try technique. Duck under. Head drag. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. Up. Okay, last. 15 seconds. Wala masakit? Okay, 10 seconds. Ready? Ingat sa tuhod ha. Okay, 10 seconds. Good. Oops. Okay, time. Time. Rest. Rest, 30 seconds.